pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance the bioavailability of certain nutrients, potentially improving their absorption and utilization for hair health. Rosemary. While not a spice, rosemary is a culinary herb with potential benefits for hair health. It is believed to promote hair growth, improve circulation, and may help prevent hair loss. Cloves. Cloves are rich in essential nutrients like manganese and may help improve blood circulation to the scalp. Cumin. Cumin is a good source of iron, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Iron deficiency is associated with hair loss. Ingredients: rosemary, cloves, cumin, black pepper. Drink 1 glass before bed.